I'm taking a look at Joby. Josh, look at this chart right here. Up big this week, up more than 40%. You recently got into this name. Your take on the upside move, shares up about 5% today.
Okay, so I brought the stock to the show on June 17th, and I took an initial position, and I said, this is highly speculative. It's really not the kind of thing that I do a lot of. Unfortunately, I didn't buy that much of it. It's up 104% since then. Did not expect that. If I did, I would have bet the rich. So let's just be very clear. This thing took off way faster than I had a chance to accumulate. But I just want to give people an update as to what's going on and why. They just doubled their air taxi production capacity in the state of California and made a major announcement in Ohio. These are EV tolls. Basically, these are electric vertical takeoff and landing. So they are, think of it like a cross between a helicopter and a plane for very short trips. They just want to lift you up off the ground, bring you to your destination, drop you off. There will be a lot of uses for these over the next 10 years. This is the leading company in the space. Just delivered their first production aircraft to Dubai. They're running an eVTOL trial in Dubai, where I guess the government's allowing them to do more than they could do here. So in the United States, the last thing they have to clear, the final FAA certification phase. That's the next catalyst. I don't know how much the stock rally is already pricing that in, but I'm going to remain long with my position. Very exciting company, highly speculative, not telling people to buy it up 100% a month, but keep it on your radar. It's worth learning what they're working on.
eVTOLs, also called EVAs. You can call them both.
Call them whatever you want, Frank, as long as the stocks go up.
All right, let's move on to Josh's best stocks in the market. What are you highlighting today?
We wrote up Fastenal for the CNBC Pro subscribers.
I like that.
Yeah, this stock looks incredible. When you look at a long-term chart of this, it's just up and to the right. The buyers come in pretty much on every dip, and the trend line has been pristine dating back to early 2023. Basically, what they've done is they've Amazoned the construction business. They have something called Fastenal Managed Inventory. It's a digital tech platform so that you don't even have to reorder the things that you're running out of. As an industrial company building things, Fastenal already knows, and they will deliver what you need right to the site. And this has been incredible for the business. 44% of total sales last quarter, which they announced on Monday, came in as a result of this FMI technology, this platform that I'm talking about. The important thing to understand here is it's industrial. It's not a tech company, doesn't grow revenue at 40% a year or anything like that, but it's incredibly well managed. So we did a write-up. If you're a pro subscriber, highly recommend reading what Sean and I had to say. And what I'm saying about the stock technically, I think if you want to follow it on a trailing weekly basis, every Friday, take a look at the long-term moving average, which we peg at 36 to 38. Use that as your risk management. If it breaks below there, something may have fundamentally changed. But so long as it can remain above, I think you can continue to ride the stock. So this is on the best stocks in the market list, and I wish I owned it. It's been an incredible performer.
Bill, very quick take before we go.
Yeah, we own it. And one thing I'll add is the market has expected margins to drop, and they've continued to expand, and that's really helped this company outperform. It is the one industrial name we did not trim when we trimmed industrials.
All right, shares of Fastenal, they're up just about 0.5% right now.